So here we are, TTW installations on this scorching hot day with the latest generation Aston Martin DB12 Volante, which is a beautiful thing. It's a repeat customer of ours. This is his new latest car, so he's asked us if we can fit the Blackvue Dash cameras inside. Because it's a convertible on this particular one, we have been a little bit restricted on what to do with the rear camera, which I will show you shortly. We've sort of had a compromise, really. Some cars we can mount a bit better at the rear, but this one, because it's a full convertible with the glass built in and there's no mounting area at the back, we've been a little bit restricted. So I'll show you what we've done as regards to that. But obviously it's been fully installed in here properly, in the proper way, so you can utilise the features that he requires. And if I'll just show you in here, it's easier for me to just sit in. So the main camera we've just situated right in the middle, so from the driver's point of view you don't really see it at all from underneath the rear view mirror. And then what we've also done is we've decided to mount the second camera just here up at the top. So it will offer some recording information, obviously more so of the driver, but also if it is parked up and parking mode is utilised, then it will pick up something from the surrounding areas if somebody is walking around, but the customer wants it predominantly more for driving. So as you can see there, obviously just nicely sort of tucks under. And then we've obviously just wired it in up into the actual binnacle itself. So from obviously this point of view, you can hardly just see it, it'll just be sitting underneath the rear view mirror. So yes, if you've got an Aston Martin or this particular model and you'd like dash cam video surveillance while driving for accidents, but also for parking security as well while it's parked up, so you can keep an eye on it, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.